station WXJ31. This broadcast originates from the National Weather Service office in Peachtree City and is transmitted from a tower supplied by Voice Radio Service near Thomaston on a frequency of 162.5 megahertz. The WXJ31 listening area includes the following counties: Bibb, Butts, Clayton, Coweta, Crawford, Fayette, Harris, Henry, Lamar, Meriwether, Monroe, Peach, Pike, Spalding, Talbot, Taylor, Troop, and Upson. Visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta for the latest weather information, including watches and warnings. You can also like your Peachtree City National Weather Service on Facebook or follow NWS Atlanta on Twitter. What? Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, northeast, and west central Georgia. When? Until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. Impacts. Low visibility could make driving conditions hazardous. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. What? For the dense fog advisory. Visibility 1/4 mile or less in dense fog. For the cold weather advisory, very cold wind chills as low as 6 above expected. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, northeast, and west central Georgia. When? For the dense fog advisory, until 10 a.m. Eastern Standard Time this morning. For the cold weather advisory, from 1 a.m. to 11 a.m. Eastern Standard Time Monday. Impacts. Very cold temperatures can lead to hypothermia with prolonged exposure. Low visibility could make driving conditions hazardous. Use caution while traveling outside. Wear appropriate clothing, a hat, and gloves. If driving, slow down, use your headlights, and leave plenty of distance ahead of you. This watch is for the following counties in Georgia: Bibb, Butts, Clayton, Coweta, Crawford, Fayette, Harris, Henry, Lamar, Meriwether, Monroe, Peach, Pike, Spalding, Talbot, Taylor, Troop, and Upson. What? Periods of snow that could be moderate to heavy at times. Total snow accumulations between 1 and 3 inches possible. Light sleet and freezing rain will be possible in portions of east central Georgia late Tuesday night. Ice accumulations less than 0.1 inch possible. Where? Portions of central, east central, north central, northeast, northwest, southeast, and west central Georgia. When? From Tuesday morning through Wednesday morning. Impacts. Plan on slippery road conditions. The hazardous conditions could impact the Tuesday evening and Wednesday morning commutes. Monitor the latest forecasts for updates on this situation. The current time is 7:44 a.m. Eastern Standard Time. Here are the 7 a.m. weather observations from around the area. At Thomaston, it was cloudy. The temperature was 54 degrees, dew point 52 degrees, relative humidity 94%, wind northwest at 9 miles an hour, pressure was 29.82 inches and rising. At Peachtree City, it was cloudy. The temperature was 49, dew point 48, relative humidity 97%, wind west at 6, pressure was 29.84 inches and rising. Elsewhere across Georgia, at Columbus, it was cloudy at 54, wind northwest at 13. At Newton, it was cloudy and 49, wind west at 3. At Hampton, with fog, it was 49, wind west at 5. At Criven, it was cloudy and 48, wind west at 6. At LaGrange, it was cloudy and 50, wind northwest at 17 gusting to 25. At Pine Mountain, it was cloudy and 52, wind west at 13 gusting to 20. At Perry, it was cloudy and 59, wind west at 8. At Albany, it was mostly cloudy and 61, wind west at 8. At Atlanta, with fog, it was 48, wind northwest at 12. At Athens, with fog, it was 47, wind west at 3. At Butler, it was cloudy and 56, wind northeast at 9. At Alma, it was cloudy wind south at 8. Across Alabama and Auburn, it was cloudy and 50, wind northwest at 9. In Dothan, it was cloudy and 56, wind northwest at 20. At Montgomery, it was cloudy and 48, wind northwest at 14 gusting to 23. At Anniston, it was cloudy and 40, wind west at 8. Here is the hazardous weather outlook. This hazardous weather outlook is for north and central Georgia. For today and tonight, isolated showers are possible across central Georgia through mid-morning. And now the extended outlook for the period Monday through Saturday, confidence in an Arctic air mass impacting the eastern New South. Beginning early Monday morning is high. Wind chills from as much as 5 to 10 degrees below zero to the teens are forecast to develop in north and central Georgia Monday through Thursday. An excessive cold warning has been issued for North Georgia Monday morning, with a cold weather advisory in effect for the remainder of the forecast area. It is becoming increasingly likely that a winter storm will impact north and central Georgia Tuesday through early Wednesday. Uncertainty remains regarding exact accumulation, but snow is likely to be the dominant precipitation type. A winter storm watch has been issued for areas along and south of the I-20/I-85 interchange with the potential for as much as 2 to 3 of snow accumulation. Please continue to monitor for future updates. Spotter information statement. Spotter activation will not be needed through tonight. Here is the official forecast from the National Weather Service for the Thomaston-Listening area. Today, mostly cloudy. Highs in the lower 50s. Northwest winds 10 to 20 miles an hour with gusts up to 30 miles an hour. Tonight, partly cloudy in the evening and clearing. Lows around 19. Northwest winds 5 to 15 miles an hour. Wind chill values around 10. Martin Luther King Jr. Day, much cooler. Sunny. Highs in the mid-30s. North winds 10 to 20 miles an hour. Wind chill values around 5 above zero. Monday night, cold. Mostly clear in the evening, then becoming partly cloudy. Lows around 20. Light north winds. And now the extended forecast. Tuesday and Tuesday night, snow showers likely. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows 15 to 20. Wednesday and Wednesday night, partly cloudy. Highs in the mid-30s. Lows around 20. Thursday and Thursday night, mostly cloudy. Highs around 40. Lows in the lower 20s. Friday and Friday night, mostly clear. Highs in the lower 40s. Lows in the lower 20s. Saturday and Saturday night, mostly clear. Highs around 50. Lows in the upper 20s. For more detailed weather, water, and climate information, please visit our website at weather.gov/Atlanta. What? Visibility 1/4